And of course, Super Bowl 50 means lots of watch parties. If you're hosting one, then you need to hear what KVUE's Jenny Lee found out about liability.
It's a little creepy to look at these.
Pictures of his wrecked out car are still eerie to Darren Jensen. He was rear-ended in November.
Boosts me into the right guardrail, and I kind of shred the guardrail, and then get spun across all 3 lanes and then impact perpendicular to the median.
The accident happened on I-35 southbound between Riverside Drive and Old Torf Drive.
I took that impact, and I remember sitting there and then looking out my window and thinking, oh no, here come the cars. So unbuckled, got out, and jumped and straddled the median.
Court documents show the 25-year-old driver who hit Jensen was intoxicated. That driver had all the signs: bloodshot glassy eyes, slurred speech, swaying. According to the Texas Department of Transportation, there were 1,365 alcohol-related collisions in Travis County in 2014, a number that shows drinking and driving is still a problem. That's why Austin police are conducting a no-refusal initiative through Super Bowl weekend and again Tuesday for Mardi Gras. They know festivities bring out the drunk drivers. The initiative allows police to get a warrant to draw blood from those suspected of drinking and driving. But if you're hosting a party and plan to be responsible, an attorney warns, make sure you follow through. If not, you could be held criminally liable.
Then you say, I'm not letting anybody leave unless you take a breathalyzer so you can prove you're not drunk. And then you forget to do a breathalyzer to somebody, you could actually have liability.
Brad Bonilla is an attorney who says he has seen a steady flow of DWI cases, like the driver who hit his client. He says people need to be extra careful when throwing a party. He has seen cases where the social host was held criminally liable for the actions of their guests.
You were doing the responsible thing and trying to keep people from drinking and driving. But if you do nothing, there's no liability. That's where the law is really backwards.
You can see where the airbag burned Jensen's wrist. Jensen also dealt with a tear in his shoulder, but he knows he is lucky to be alive because oftentimes it is the drunk driver who walks away from the crash, not the victim. He hopes his story will make people think twice before they drink and drive. Jenny Lee, KVUE News.